There are lots of people investing into CSGO skins. Some think this is the best investment, others think this one is better. The third group considers this as the absolute best. But which of them is right? Well, all of them. It's just that they value different things within an investment. From an outsider's point of view, all the skins and containers seem the same, but when you start getting into it, you notice all the little features that each of them have to offer. Those three options, they can all be considered best at something, but which one of them has the most medals? That is exactly what we will try and find out today, right after you take a second to smash the like button and check out the sponsor of this video, Skinport, the user-friendly marketplace for CSGO skins and other games, link down in the description. So, what makes an investment good? Is it the rarity? Is it the potential that people believe it has? Or in other words, popularity? Is it the inability to generate more of that investment? Or is it just dumb luck that makes an investment succeed? In reality, it is all of those plus many other factors combined. Alright, but our goal is to find the best one, and for that we need to pick a certain category that, in my opinion, dominates over the others. That would be safety and stability. Take an example from stock investing. Index funds grow by a mere 7% yearly on average, while some individual stocks that are popular can double or more in 1 year without having to depend too much on luck. Still, indexes are considered the best because of their high reliability and almost non-existent risk factor. Therefore, in this situation, safer equals better, and that is exactly why I chose this trade as the most important one for CSGO skins as well. I actually have already made a video talking about all the safe options out there, but this time we're looking into more detail for the safest option. As the thumbnail hinted, we're gonna talk about the 3 esports cases. Those things, they are discontinued forever and will never come back. On top of being super rare, all 3 of them have other special things to offer. Esports 2014 summer case has a couple of nice looking skins, though they're not as expensive as we would like. On the market, there are a little over 1,000 of them. Recently, they had a spike during the new case hype, but they quickly fell back to normal. This one case, I would say, is the least special of the bunch, as there is not much incentive to open them. Still, the supply was cut forever and its price will keep increasing regardless. Over the past year, it has risen in price by 134%. The growth for this kind of item is not linear, or in mathematical terms, arithmetic. Instead, they follow a geometric growth, which means that every year it will grow by a higher and higher percentage, until nobody is willing to buy them for an extremely high price. Esports 2013 winter case is a little more special, as this one has legendary classified filler skins and has only one red skin at the top. The pink skins are not float capped at the lower end, so they make super low flow trade-ups possible. This is the kind of skins that you see Sparkles use in his #1 float videos. The potential of this case is a little limited by the fact that there are 2 other cases that have similar pink filler skins, though those cases are getting more expensive as well. On the market, there are 850 of the esports winter case. The price is at about 5.5 euros. Recently, it had a similar spike as the other case, but this time it didn't fall right back, as it was already growing rapidly even before the spike. Over the last year, we have seen this case grow 253%, which is almost double compared to the previous one. Finally, the eSport 2013 case. This one has nice things to offer. First, you know that it contains the Op Boom, which is an expensive pink skin. Though it seems one thing has gone under the radar, the AK-47 red laminate. In this collection there is also only one red skin, therefore this AK is excellent to use in trade-ups as a filler skin. However, you wouldn't be able to perform low flow trade-ups as the AK is float capped starting at 0.06. Throughout the competitors for the filler skin position, I wasn't able to find one as cheap as the AK in the conditions field tested and lower. There are still a lot of them around from the old days of CSGO, but there will not be many more generated as the case itself costs 40 euros at this moment. So I believe the price of the AK will start growing faster and faster even though it hasn't seen much growth in the past. Okay, where I'm going with this is the case itself will get an even bigger reason to grow, having already risen 160% in the last year. On the market there are just 77 of them for sale, which is the main reason to why it is so freaking expensive. The knives in all three of these cases are the OG ones with the first type of finishes. They aren't anything special, but they are growing in price. All of them, since the last time a case containing them was released in 2015. Recently, it got moved to the rare drop pool allegedly, making it so that all cases containing this set of knives are now rare. Moving on to another type of investment which is as safe as the previous one, but in some areas is even better. That is all the discontinued tournament sticker capsules, team stickers and signatures. Those things are really good. I recently made a video dedicated entirely to them, so you can watch that for in-depth information. In short though, those capsules and stickers bring anywhere from 100 to 500% growth in 1 year. The eSport cases and the tournament capsules both are linked to the year when they were produced, so I'm confident there is zero chance we're going to see them back into the game shop. These two categories of investments are rarely the most profitable, but I do think they are the most reliable, which often comes at the cost of less profit, but isn't always the case. I hope you have found some useful information in this video. If so, then make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, because we are close to 5,000 subscribers, which means that I will start another giveaway soon. See you in the next video, have a good rest of the day, bye bye.